welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make spicy diamond cuts. Very crispy and delicious snack recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, add half cup of wheat flour, half cup of maida, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of asafoetida, quarter teaspoon of jeera, and a tablespoon of melted ghee. Mix it well with a spoon. Then start adding little water at a time and knead it well with your hands. We are looking for a chapati batter consistency. Now we have the proper consistency. Split the dough into 2 portions and roll it. Sprinkle some wheat flour in the rolling board and place the dough in the center. Spread it using a rolling pin. Don't make it too thick nor too thin. Make diamond shaped cuts using a pizza cutter. Now it's all ready, so let's start making the diamond cuts. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. Drop in the diamond cuts one by one. Fry in high flame for 2 minutes. When both sides are nice and golden brown, remove. Serve it nice and hot with a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very crispy and delicious snack recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.